You could do it.
Let's go by the name of the Rap Dodgers. Hey yo, that's Emotions. He's the best battler in the city.
That little shrimp.
Hey, you think it wise to sign up there, buddy?
The fuck is it to you, man?
Well, I'm battling. The fuck are you, bitch?
What, you rap, man?
Yeah, you want to make something out of it?
Yeah, sure, man. You
Bring
wanna
it
battle,
on.
dog?
Bring it
All
on,
right,
motherfucker.
Check this out. Huh. Hey yo, Grandpa, I'll kill you with a doper flow. How you gon' rap with a nose like Pinocchio? Yeah, cause I'm the microphone renegator. You looking like a little fat gay Terminator. Huh. So what you know about hip hop? You looking like you fucking work at the pizza shop. Huh. And it's shook, so right there. You looking like a bowling pin with gray hair.
Come on, I'm gonna dog you, motherfucker! I'm gonna rabbit you! We're in DOA right now!
What the fuck? What you talking about, dog? It's all just whack. And I don't think that fat old people should try to rap.
Well, you might think I'm a fool, but you know that I'm cool, cause I'm gonna fuck you, bitch! Right now!
Alright, man. I'll see you in the battle tonight, homie.